Hey everyone, it's Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me, and we have our November animal square. This is our adorable penguin, and I can't believe we are almost done with this animal square crochet along. So after this, we only have one more to go, and then I'm going to show you how to connect all of our squares into a larger blanket. But let's go ahead and get this one on our hook. I know you guys are anxious to work on it. So as always, we're going to start with our basic square. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver yarn in black. And then we have gold, which I used kind of as the accent color around the edge and for the cute little beak. And then, of course, you're going to want to grab that white yarn as well. So the basic square pattern, I already went over this in the first, I believe, 2 videos. If you need to refer back to that, I will leave the link below. I think it was the polar bear square that I walked you through the whole thing. So if you need help with the basic square, that is where you will see that. Again, black and then the gold yarn for the edge. And then we're just going to get started on all of our cute little face elements for the penguin. So let's grab that white yarn. I have my size H crochet hook. And let's do the body first. So for that, we are going to go ahead and chain 17. So I'm just making that slip knot on my hook. And then we're going to chain 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We are going to make a single crochet in that second chain from hook and the rest of the way down. So you're going to have a total of 16 single crochets in this first row. Making those single crochets in each of these chains. Okay, here's the last one. Okay, we are going to chain 1. We're going to turn our work. We're going to make a single crochet over those first 2 stitches. Single crochet decrease. So insert my hook in the first one, insert my hook in the second with that yarn over, and then pull through, yarn over and pull through all those. Now we're going to single crochet all the way down until we get to the last 2. Okay, so you should have 12 single crochets. So we did a single crochet decrease, 12 single crochets. Now I have 2 stitches left there. We're going to make that single crochet decrease over the last 2. Chain 1, turn, and just single crochet across. You should have 14 single crochets. Chain 1, turn. We're going to start off with that single crochet decrease over the first 2. Single crochet in the next 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And it leaves you with 2 stitches. Make that single crochet decrease over the last 2, chain 1, turn, and single crochet in each stitch across. chain one, turn, single crochet, decrease, single crochet in the next 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to make single crochet, decrease, chain one, turn, single crochet in each stitch across. You guys probably are starting to see a little bit of a rhythm and a repeat here with this pattern. Chain one, turn, make that decrease, single crochet until you get to those last 2, 5, 6 single crochets, decrease over the last 2 stitches, chain one, turn, single crochet, decrease across, chain one, turn, single crochet, decrease, single crochet in the next 2, 3, 4, single crochet, decrease. Okay, looking pretty good. You're going to chain one, turn, single crochet across, and now we're just going to continue. We're going to just continue by single crocheting around these edges. Okay, and I like to make 2 single crochets in those corner stitches. You can do that if you want. Kind of along this rough edge, single crochet all the way down. I get to that corner, make those 2 single crochets, single crochet along the bottom, that is going to bring us to this next corner. I'm just going to make 2 single crochets and then right back up the other edge. Eek. And then I just make kind of 2 single crochets in that last corner and join. Okay, so you kind of have your little triangle pyramid, little body shape. We are going to leave a long tail because you're going to need that to stitch it on. All right, so let's move on to the eyes. I've already made one, and I'm just going to make another one on camera. So you're going to want to make 2 eyes. And for this one, okay, you're going to have to kind of, it's all done. The first part's all done in a magic ring. So let's start with our magic ring. Kind of hold this tight. We're going to chain one. We're going to make 2 single crochets, a half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, another half double crochet, 2 single crochets, and kind of repeating that again, a half double crochet, 3 double crochets, one more half double crochet, and now we're going to pull this tight. Kind of makes this oval shape, which is really nice for these penguin eyes. Okay, I'm just joining to that first single crochet. I'm going to chain one. I'm going to make 2 single crochets in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, and then repeat that around. 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, all the way around. Okay. Now we're going to join to that first single crochet. And for the last round of the eye, so chain 1 and just single crochet in each stitch. And you should have, I think it's, yeah, 21 single crochets. There we go. Now join. We're going to fasten off. Okay. Now, you'll make a second one. Okay. And so on this one, and a lot of my other animal squares, I've used these safety eyes. I actually, I kind of like these ones. I bought this pack on Amazon. These are 15 millimeter safety eyes. They come with these backs. I like them. If you're going to use the safety eye, I would do it first so it doesn't stick through the back the whole way. You kind of have that buffer, and then remember we're going to be sandwiching these together as well. But for this one, I just want to give you another option. As you know, I like to do here. If you do not feel comfortable using safety eyes, that is okay. I do what I call the smiling eyes. Let's see, what should we do? I'm just going to come in with my tapestry needle and a strand of black yarn. And let's see, let's try and, I'm just going to kind of come over this side. And then I'm going to hook it up here. Come back down that same spot. Let's see how that looks. Kind of just winging this actually, but cute as always. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, let me fasten this off and we can do the other one. I can just tie this because remember we're just going to be stitching that onto the actual square. So it really doesn't matter what it looks like. You could weave this in. I'm just going to knot it a few times. Let's just see how this looks. Okay, I think it looks cute. Let's do our other one and see. I didn't practice it. I just kind of went with it here. And I was just kind of hoping, I don't know why, we should have sewn in that magic ring round. It wants to come undone. I'll have to do that later. Okay, so same idea. I think he looks so cute. Our little penguin. A little smiling penguin. Whichever you prefer. You could even crochet circles. Maybe that's what we should have done. Crocheted circles. Look at me, I'm just changing my mind as I do this. So cute. I don't know though. Let me just, while we're here on video, let's just do a magic ring with our black yarn and single crochet 10, maybe 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 8, 7, 8. This might be cute too. I don't know. I might get rid of those. I'm giving you guys so many eye options in this video. I'm curious to see what you guys decide on. Okay, so I just crocheted a circle. Magic ring, single crochet 8. That could be cute too. I don't know. You guys decide. Okay, you can make 2 of these, stitch them on. That way you don't have the safety eye. I can't decide. Okay, let's move on though. So your eyes are going to go like so over the body. And then we need our beak. Okay, so you're going to grab this gold yarn. And we have a lot of ends going on here. We are going to chain 4. So make that slip knot on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to single crochet in that second chain from hook, half double crochet in the next chain, and then we're going to double crochet in the last. Now we're going to go around this little triangle one more time. So I am just going to, I'm actually going to chain one, and right here on the top edge of this last double crochet, I'm just going to go ahead and make single crochet stitches. I'm at this corner. I always like to make 2 single crochets in the corner. I'm going to work my way down along the edge. When I get to the point, that bottom triangle, if I can get my hook in here, it's giving me trouble right now. I'm going to make 2 single crochets, and then I'm just going to work my way back up the other edge, finish with 2 single crochets, and join. Okay, now we have our little beak. You're going to want to weave this in. If you feel like there's any big spaces that you don't like, that's where this really comes in handy. You take your tapestry needle and you can just kind of fix that up when you're weaving all your ends in. I just kind of bring those gaps together like so. All right, that's good. Okay. All right, let's see how this looks. A cute little penguin. All right. So when we stitch it on, I kind of have the eyes going over the tops of these. So you want a little space between it. And then you'll stick your beak right over the ends and then kind of over the body. And then ta-da, it's just really so easy. So again, I don't know if we need to go through a whole tutorial on how to stitch these pieces on. You can refer back to some other videos. I kind of have a long tail here, but you're going to want to start by stitching the body on. And then, and again, here, let's see, let me show you. I just stitched it on so it was right over where the gold was on the edge. Well, I guess you're going to have to start, and I didn't stitch that on either. So I just kind of place it here, and you're just going to work under the tops of those single crochets, up and down, like so, all the way around. And again, this kind of takes a long time, and I think you guys have kind of got the hang of stitching these on by now. So once you get done with that, you're going to stitch on the eyes so they're just overlapping kind of the ends here. And then again, you're going to come on top with your beak. It's so cute. Seriously, it's easy. It's cute. And then I'm making 2. You guys can decide what you want to do. And we're going to be stitching these back to back and making the bigger blanket. Pattern for the penguin is on repeatcrafterme.com. I will leave the link. And just so a little reminder of our other, gosh, this pile is getting so big you can't even see it on camera. We got our polar bear. We have our horse, lion, lamb, our little sheep. There's our frog with those crocheted eyes. That looks cute on that one. Our hippo. Hello, piggy. Look at that curly cute tail. Koala. Here's our fox. And we have our owl. And I just want to show you, I mean, I did a sleepy eye on this one. So cute either way, right? So it's kind of like the penguin where you can decide how you want those eyes to look. Up to you. Really cute. Hope you guys are really enjoying this project. One more to go. And of course I will have video and a photo tutorial on how to put this blanket together. Animal square crochet along. Links will be in the description, and pattern on repeatcrafterme.com.